Everybody, LeoBlox back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to mod any of the games in the Master Chief Collection. All you're gonna need is either the game on the Xbox app for computer or Steam. It doesn't matter, the only thing different is some of the file names are different for the maps and stuff. So all we need is the game and the assembly software. So I put it in the link in the description. Go ahead and click that and then you'll be brought to this page. All you need to do is click assembly.downloader.zip. Let it download. As you can see, I already downloaded it. But anyway, you click this right here. It'll take you to the file. And then you right click. It'll pull up these options. Next, you're going to want to click Open with Windows Explorer. This will make it where you can skip the WinZip and everything if you don't want to spend $60 a week so that you can use WinZip. Next, you're going to want to copy and paste these into a separate folder so it's easier to access. I suggest putting it in a hard drive that you're going to use so you can remember where it is. I'll just keep it as a new folder. Now you paste it there. Now what you're going to want to do is double click Downloader. Make sure you click Master, recommended, because if you do Dev, it's going to be a little bit different than what I'm going to teach you guys to do. Click Next. Now here it will ask you where you want it to be downloaded. Go ahead and choose where you want it. Alright, I want it downloaded to where I have the rest of this stuff. Then click Next. It'll start downloading. It's 100% safe. So, yeah. And that's how you download it. You click Finish. It'll be this one right here. You can just throw it onto your desktop if you want. Then click OK. And that's legit all you have to do. I'll show you guys how to code it and everything and link the maps to this software in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. The next video will be in the top right of the screen about here. I'll put it in a card. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.